Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Usapang stop loss nga and cut loss dahil sa iba nakikita natin is wala silang mga stop loss. Although it's up to them since that's their own strategy and back-tested nila yan kung paano nila ginagawa yung pagka-cut loss if ever man may invalidate yung trade nila. But based sa personal experience ko and sa strategy ko, I don't recommend na wag kayong maglalagay ng stop loss since napaka-dangerous niya and isa siya sa mga i-disregard mo when it comes to risk management. Ano nga ba yung kahalagahan ng stop loss? So meaning, mape-prevent mo yung pagbagsak or maliquidate dito sa market. So kadalasan sa iba, sinasabi nila is if ever wala man silang stop loss, ma-invalidate nila yung trade nila dahil meron silang strategy na sinasabing babalik at babalik yung price dun malapit sa area ng entry nila, which is yung magiging break even or stop loss area nila or malapit lang dun. But I don't recommend that. Bakit? So this is a crypto market and this is very volatile. Walang makapagsasabi kung saan at saan yung pupuntahan ng direction ng market. Anything can happen. So I highly suggest to respect the risk management. If wala ka nun, hindi ka magtatagal sa larangan ng trading, lagi kang maliliquidate. Sa mga professional trader na hindi gumagamit ng stop loss, that's also fine as long as you know what you are doing and backtested mo na yung strategy mo. Kanya-kanyang strategy yan. Hindi tayo nagbabash or nagagalit sa mga walang stop loss dahil pinag-aralan din nila yung risk management. When it comes to market, respect lang dahil walang kahit sino yung nakakaalam ng trend direction. We are all a technical or technician of this market. Kaya hindi kayo pwedeng mag-away dahil mali yung bias ng isa. Dahil lagi nating tatandaan, only institutional and big money can move this market. And hindi yung gaya nating mga retailer trader lang. For me, stop loss is like a parachute na when it comes to danger, meron kang mahihila at mahihila to save your capital here sa trading. One of the emotion ng tao is ayaw matalo, kaya hindi sila marunong tumanggap ng pagkatalo to hit their stop loss and magre-reverse lang yung market, which is that's normal sa market. Kaya isa sa mga titingnan nyo yung personality nyo dahil sa market if hindi ka marunong tumanggap ng pagkatalo, medyo mahihirapan kang makarecover if ever man magkaroon ka ng malaking loss dito sa trading.